Hi, I'm Oskar van Deventer and this is the duck stew puzzle by Volker Latesek. And duck stew, it has 8 of these cute duck-shaped pieces, and the goal is to put them into the bowl and of course to stew them and to make something delicious. And as you can guess, it's not an easy puzzle because the ducks have a sort of strange shape. The ducks have no symmetry at all, and how do we get them into the stew box? Even if you want to try, sometimes they fit nicely together, but as a whole it's very hard to make them fit. A nice puzzle, highly recommended. And my question to you is, why did we call this puzzle the duck stew puzzle? Thank you for watching.